This Breakout EDU physical game is designed for kindergarten students who are learning about the 4 seasons of the year. It should take approximately 20 minutes to complete, and it is designed for small groups of 4 to 5 students. To set up the game, teachers will want to use the provided link to access the Google Drive folder for this game. They will want to print 1 copy of each file per group. Then they will want to cut apart the matching pieces on the 4 seasons matching game file. Using an ink pen, they will write the number 0 on any spring game piece, the number 8 on any summer game piece, the number 1 on any fall piece, and the number 7 on any winter piece. Next, using the invisible ink pen, teachers will want to write the numbers 9, 3, and 1 on the first letter of any 3 hidden words on the 4 seasons word search file. They will then use the invisible ink pen to write 1 large letter on each of the 4 files to be used to unscramble the name of the location where the key for the key lock is hidden. This could be a door, desk, etc. Next, teachers will place the UV flashlight in the small Breakout EDU box. Close the box and lock it using the 4-digit lock. Inside the large Breakout EDU box, place a We Broke Out certificate and the reflection cards. Close the box with a hasp and attach the 3-digit lock, the directional lock, the ABC lock, and the key lock. To complete the game, students will start with the 4 seasons matching game to unlock the 4-digit lock. They will sort and place the matching pieces under the correct season, either spring, summer, fall, or winter. When they have organized all the pieces, they will flip the pieces over, discovering 4 numbers. When they place the seasons in the correct order, spring, summer, fall, and winter, they will have the correct code for the lock, 0817, which will unlock the small box containing the UV flashlight. Next, students will find all of the words in the 4 seasons word search. When they have found all of these words, they will use the UV flashlight to find the 3 numbers for the 3-digit lock, 9, 3, and 1. This will unlock the first lock on the large lockbox. Next, students will label the 4 season pictures on the 4 seasons naming activity. When they are done, they will use the order of the seasons, starting with fall and moving down to winter, right to spring, up to summer, left to fall, and once again down to winter, to discover the code for the directional lock. Next, students will unscramble the names of the 4 seasons on the 4 seasons word scramble file. When they are done, they will use the first letter of each season to find the code to the ABC lock. W for winter, S for spring, S for summer, and F for fall. Lastly, students will use the UV flashlight once again to find the letters on each of the 4 files. They will unscramble these letters to find the location of the key. Using the key, they will unlock the final lock on the large lockbox, opening it to find their completion certificates and the reflection cards.